Hi, today I'm going to show you a bot that can check the numbers that if those numbers are available on WhatsApp or not. So here in the reference Excel sheet, you can see, let me just clear this off. So you can see there's numbers. So these are the demo numbers, random numbers, and I will check this with the bot that if those numbers are available on WhatsApp or not. So this is the bot. So you just need to double click it to open it, and when you run the bot for the first time, this type of window will show up. So just click on more info and run anyway. So now you need to log into the account. So I'm just logging in from my account. So I have logged in using the QR code, and after completing the login, you need to go back to the bot, and here you need to press enter and come back to the Chrome browser again, and now the bot will start its working. As you can see, this number was invalid, so the bot will write it down in the Excel sheet that that was invalid. It has checked the account, and it has checked again another. You can see the status here that this one was invalid and this all is valid. So this is how the bot works. I am not making the video lengthy, so let me just close it, and let's just check the Excel sheet. As you can see, it has written down here that it is valid or invalid. Okay, so this is how the bot works. If you are interested in this bot, you can contact me. This bot will cost you $40, and you can pay through Binance or cryptocurrency, and you can pay through also directly to my website. You will get all those informations in the details.